In today's match, we see two schools from St. Andrew face off. Immaculate Prep and Morris Knibb Prep play for a spot in the Junior School Challenge Quiz 2018.
So let's jump right into the first match of the season. In Section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Immaculate Prep won. They decided that Morris Knibb Prep should play first. So with 4 minutes on the clock, Morris Knibb, we begin with Bible knowledge. In which city was Jesus born?
Bethlehem.
Bethlehem.
Correct. Immaculate. Bible knowledge. Who baptized Jesus?
John the Baptist.
Correct. Morris Knibb. Science. What is the main source of energy for the earth?
The sun.
Correct. Science to you, Immaculate. What is the name of the energy which comes from the sun?
Solar energy. Solar energy.
Correct. Jamaican affairs to you, Morris Knibb. What does the gold represent in the national flag of Jamaica?
The well?
Judges? Incomplete. The full answer is the natural wealth and beauty of sunlight. Jamaican affairs to you, Immaculate. What does the black represent in the national flag of Jamaica?
The strength of the people. The strength of the people.
Accepted. The strength and creativity of the people. Morris Knibb, English language. Spell expression.
EXPRESSION.
Correct. English language to you, Immaculate. Spell compassion.
COMPASSION.
Incorrect. COMPASSION. Morris Knibb, television. Which cartoon character lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Correct. Television to you, Immaculate. Which cat and mouse cartoon characters are always chasing each other?
Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry.
Correct. Morris Knibb, general knowledge. Whose image is on the Jamaican $50 note?
Sam Sharp. Sam Sharp.
Sam Sharp.
Correct. General knowledge to you, Immaculate. Whose image is on the Jamaican $100 note?
Michael Manley.
Incorrect. Sir Donald Sangster. Morris Knibb, social studies. Which line of latitude is at 23.5 degrees north?
Tropical Cancer.
Correct. Social studies, Immaculate. Which line of latitude is at 66.5 degrees north?
The Arctic Circle.
Correct. Morris Knibb, music. Who sings the hit single, Stay?
Alessia Cara.
Incorrect. Rihanna. Music to you, Immaculate. Who sings the hit single, Sorry?
Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber.
Correct. Mathematics for Morris Knibb. What number, when multiplied by 6, gives the same number as 3 multiplied by 10?
5.
Correct. Immaculate. Mathematics. What number divided by 4 gives the same answer as 300 divided by 6?
50.
Incorrect. 200. Morris Knibb, sports. How many persons play on a football team?
11.
Correct. Immaculate, sports. How many persons play on a cricket team?
21.
Incorrect. 11. Morris Knibb, Jamaican affairs. What is the correct name for the Jamaican cultural icon, Miss Lou?
Louise Bennett Coverley.
Louise Bennett Coverley.
Correct. Jamaican affairs to you, Immaculate. In which country did Miss Lou die in 2006?
England. Jamaica.
Incorrect. Canada. And that is the end of Section 1.
With round 1 complete, Morris Knibb Prep is ahead on 9 points, while Immaculate Prep has 6 points.